Oof, a cool intro, right? Okay, let's start with the game. And we go to play stages. We go to Canon Picks and we are going to select number 1 because I love green color. Okay, so we want to know what we can do in this game. Okay, so let's see the basics. Movement. With the left button, with this button, the character can move. So if we go from left to right, and if we don't release the button, the character moves, and it can move to the other side too. These are the movements the character can do with the left button, but if we wanna jump, we need the right button. And it's gonna jump only if you release the button on the right, so look. If I don't release the button, it won't jump, but if I do, it jumps. Okay, so he will jump only if we release the right button. Only if we release the button. You can jump too with this button. If you click, it only jumps in a diagonal. Okay, so let's see. So you can run and then jump. It jumps in vertical. And you can jump too in a diagonal. But you have to draw a diagonal line. And you can jump without running. So these are the basic movements for Jumpo. But what about all the movements that I told you before, huh? Okay, let's start with the dive roll. We can do the dive roll with running and a diagonal down. And then he roll in the floor. Great. Okay, now the roll. You can use the roll to jump from high places and don't hurt in the floor. So now you can do it like this. You start running and then you do it. First jump and then a line down and then it rolls. So first jump and then down with the action button. And it doesn't matter if you do it before it lands because the action can be saved. So when Jumpo touches the ground, he immediately makes the roll. A vertical jump while you runs, it means this. If you draw a vertical line, he can jump vertically. But if you draw a diagonal, it won't jump vertically. But if you draw a diagonal line to the opposite direction that Jumpo runs, you can jump vertically too. If you don't know if you are jumping vertically, you can look at the smoke on his feet. So if it's difficult to you to do a vertical jump, you can do the action button to the opposite side and it will jump vertically too. The kongs are made like the dive rolls. This dive roll will change to be a kong. And look, okay, here is the kong. You have to make an horizontal line so he can make a kong. Oh no, I'm dead. And now the TACS. It's something similar to the wall jumps, but in parkour they call it tic-tacs. You have to make a diagonal line to the opposite direction of the wall. First you can jump and then do a tic-tac. Okay, look at this, that's the tic-tac. You can do it too with the character running. Cool. And with this we can make our character make tic-tacs. If we fall, we can try a tic-tac, but it's a little bit difficult, so I recommend you to do only the tic-tacs to get to high places. So that's all for the tic-tacs. Now we'll try a wall run. To make a wall run, first you have to run to the wall and then jump in a vertical way. Look at this. And that's the wall run. It will help you to get to higher places. And now the muscle up. This is to get to higher places when you only grab the edge with your hands. It will try to pull himself. So if I want to go here, he will do a muscle up. He is grabbing to the edge of this platform. You have to make a line up. So when you do it, it makes this. And if you want to go down, you only have to make a line down and this happened. And also if you're in the edge of the platform or a building, you can go down safe doing this. You have to do an L and the character will go down and will grab the edge. And now the wall flip. When you are running towards the wall, and it will make a wall flip. So if you do it, it will be like this. Okay, let's do it again. We have to do it to the opposite side of the wall. And now, if we want to do a front flip or a back flip, we have to do something like a rainbow. So this is a front flip and this is a back flip. So that's how we can move in this game. You can check this video all the time you want and pause it so it's better to you. Hope you like it, have fun!